Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full review on the Sephora favorites Give Me Some Nude lip set that I hauled in my Sephora Beauty Appreciation sale. I got a request to review this set for you guys. Sorry, there's such a glare. There we go. So included in the set, there are 5 lip products, 2 of which were full size. How my lip reviews work, I do arm swatches as well as lip swatches, which I will have towards the end, and I will sum up what I think of each of these products as we go. As I'm talking, there will be the lip product I'm talking about on my lips at the time. Just a quick overview. The full-size products we got are the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. We got the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Caramello. We got the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Lipstick in the shade 105. This is what I have on my lips right now. For the gloss, we got the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in the shade Dolly. And then we also got a bullet lipstick. This is the Tarte Color Splash lipstick in the shade Beach Babe. I don't want this review to be too long, so I am going to jump right in, and I'm going to start off with what's on my lips right now, which is the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Lipstick in the shade 105. This is a very cool toned mauve-y shade, and it is a bit darker than I was first expecting. This liquid lipstick is reasonably long lasting, although nothing to write home about, and I do find this pretty drying on my lips. I'm not sure if you can really tell from this far, but my lips are looking very dry, very textured, and I haven't had this on for all that long. This definitely isn't a product that I would say run out and buy the full size, and this is my least favorite lip product in this whole set, although it's still not terrible. Next up, I have the Tarte Color Splash lipstick in the shade Beach Babe, and of course, I have it on my lips right now. This has a bit of a peachy undertone, and at first I didn't like it, but now this is probably one of my favorite lip products. I definitely want to pick up more of these lipsticks. This is super comfortable. It's not overly long lasting, but it almost has a bit of a staining effect. Not truly, but I find as it wears away, my lips still have a bit of the color. It wears away very nicely. It's a creamy lipstick formula, so it's super easy to reapply. I don't know if the full-size lipsticks have the same shape, but I've found it very easy to apply like this. It's kind of like pinched this way. Very strange, but it actually works out really great. Super comfortable. It does show the lines in your lips, so if you do have textured lips like I do, it does kind of emphasize them, but not in a like dry, crusty way like a liquid lipstick can. I definitely recommend this lip product here. Next up, I have the Buxom Full On Lip Cream. This is in the shade Dolly. These Buxom lip glosses do have quite a thick feeling on the lips, but they aren't sticky and they are pretty long lasting for a lip gloss. They also have a bit of a minty sensation, which I really like. I don't think that they're supposed to be plumping, and I don't find it irritating, but it's kind of minty and cooling on the lips. This shade is a bit more pink than White Russian. I would say it's like one step up from the shade White Russian if you are familiar with that shade. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this lip gloss. These lip glosses are one of my favorite formulas, and I'm really happy to have received it in this set. Next up, I have the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. This is quite a warm nude. It has kind of like a terracotta undertone in my opinion. It pulls a little orange on my skin tone, but not like Miami Fever orange. It just has like a bit of that vibe going on, and I really like that for fall. I had never tried these Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks before, but I really like it. This has probably the thinnest liquid lipstick formula that I have ever tried. It just feels like water going onto the lips. Because of that, it's not completely opaque with the first pass, it kind of looks a little patchy, but because it is so thin, you can easily put another layer on. Things don't get cakey and weird, and you get full opaque color like you see on my lips right now. These do dry down to be completely matte, just like the Makeup Forever one. If I didn't mention that, these are true matte liquid lipsticks. I do find this pretty comfortable. It does dry down like I mentioned, but it doesn't leave your lips feeling super parched and raisin-like. I'm sure we've all tried liquid lipsticks like that, and this might be a new favorite liquid lipstick formula. So far, the products in this box were amazing. The only one I haven't loved is the Makeup Forever one, and it's by no means horrible. Again, this liquid lipstick is pretty long wearing as well. It doesn't take me through my complete full day. If I do eat, I feel the need to touch up or top it with a gloss at least to cover a bit of the wearing on the inner rim, but it doesn't feather and it lasts a decently long time. I am not typically one to expect my lip products to last forever and ever. Last but certainly not least, I have the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Caramello. If you watched my haul video, you saw that I was kind of hoping for patina when I just first looked at the box here. It looks a little more peachy on the box than it is in real life. Caramello is a very pale, cool toned nude. It's like nothing else I have in my collection, and this is the standout product for me from this box set. I absolutely love this lipstick. When I first put it on, I was like, oh no, way too light for me. This is not a color I typically go for, but I find it to be so flattering on my skin tone. I don't know what it is, and this liquid lipstick lasted all day. Through eating your 3 square meals and 2 to 3 snacks a day, it stayed on. I mean, it wasn't fully opaque color, but I didn't get weird wearing in the center of my mouth, which is a common issue I get with lighter shades of liquid lipsticks. That didn't happen. It stayed put. It does make my lips look a little dry, but this is the least drying liquid lipstick of the 3 we got in this set. I find it to be super comfortable. I didn't feel the need to top it off with a cream lipstick or a lip gloss through the day. I'm absolutely obsessed with this liquid lipstick now. My application got pretty sloppy, as you're going to see here in a second, but this is a good liquid lipstick. So those were my really quick mini reviews of these 5 liquid lipsticks. I'm now going to jump into the lip and arm swatches. So there we have it. I did forget to mention the price of this box. This is 28 US dollars or 34 Canadian dollars, and you get 3 mini size lip products, a mini liquid lipstick, bullet lipstick, and lip gloss. And I'm going to look up the full size prices of these 2 products here. A full size Huda Beauty liquid lipstick retails for $26 Canadian, and a full size Stila liquid lipstick retails for between 29 and 31 Canadian dollars. I don't really know why there's that range on the Sephora Canada website, but buying these 2 liquid lipsticks together in their full sizes from Sephora will cost you more than buying the Sephora Favorites box set, and I truly enjoy 4 out of 5 of these lip products, and the 5th one, the Makeup Forever one, I will still get use out of. It's just not my favorite formula, but it's by no means bad. If you are a fan of nude lipsticks, I would definitely recommend this set. I think they did a good job where they included 3 liquid lipsticks, which, let's be honest, is the most popular type of lip product nowadays, as well as a bullet lipstick and a lip gloss. So there is something for everyone. I will have links to all 5 of these lip products down below, as well as the set if you're interested in maybe just one of these lip products and you were interested in picking them up based on my quick little review. If you enjoyed today's video, please do give me a thumbs up so that I know. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!